Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later and the car supports Apple CarPlay. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. Keep the screen active. If connecting wired, plug an MFI-certified Lightning cable into the phone and a powered USB port in the dash. This ensures data and power. You want a stable link. Cheap cables can fail. Finally, set the car to accessory or on mode, so the infotainment system is ready to pair. Now focus on pairing and setup. On the head unit, select the Apple CarPlay or smartphone integration option. This starts the handshake. If wireless, the head unit advertises CarPlay. Select it on the screen, then confirm the prompt on your iPhone to allow the connection. If wired, wait a few seconds for the CarPlay icon to appear, then tap it. Make sure the phone's CarPlay setting allows this vehicle. Go to Settings General CarPlay if you need to manage connections. Finish by confirming functionality. Open Maps, make a test call, and ask Siri something to verify voice. If Siri won't respond, check microphone permissions and CarPlay access in Settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off. If CarPlay freezes or doesn't connect, restart both the phone and the car's head unit. This often clears software hiccups. If problems persist, swap to a certified Lightning cable, check for head unit firmware updates, and recheck Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.